Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. The first one for the month of September. Let's see what energies are flowing towards you, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect in this connection, Pisces. And these are general collective readings. Please take what works for you. They will not resonate with all of you, so be mindful of that, okay? So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. But for the duration of the reading, for me this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So let's begin. Person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Wands. So who was dealing with this person? Knight of Wands is my player card, right? This person is very inconsistent, comes in hot and heavy and leaves as fast. Doesn't have to be a man, just a masculine energy according to the photograph. But yes, somebody in this equation was not very faithful, probably never committed, was very in and out. Kind of keeping things very light and fluffy, I would say. So from what I see of these cards is one person here is single by themselves. They're doing a very good job. They can take care of themselves. The Nine of Pentacles energy is a great energy to be in, Pisces, if you're this side. And maybe right now you are a bit confused about what next. And the other side, I do see somebody feels here that whatever games they were playing, it kind of backfired on them because everything came out in the open. So let's see what's happening. And let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Pisces. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other, spirit, now, what would that be? All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? Could be this person. Single, but confused as to why they're alone. Yes, it's not that they need anyone to take care of them, but they want a partner in their life, I guess. So, I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours though anymore. Disappointment. Are you sorry for hurting me? You make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. Yeah, somebody is now realizing their mistake, I think, and they are realizing that they've hurt that person. Maybe they didn't feel good enough, or maybe they feel they have to become better, but they do want to come back, it seems. Secretly doing things behind your back. This could have been in the past, and maybe that's what came out in this connection, that maybe they were not being sincere. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. Wishing you the best. even if it's with someone else. All right, Pisces, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card that pops out for you is a pause. So you may be experiencing a bit of disconnect between the two of you. Maybe this is a lull period where you guys are not together. Let's see how you guys are feeling and what action we can expect after this pause. So I'm going to start with the energies of person A. Like I said, you could be this side or that side. For me, this is person A. 9 of Pentacles, Spirit, for person A. 9 of Pentacles. It's not that this person is single out of choice. It's not that this person is single out of choice. In fact, it's a burden to them. They didn't want to be single. In fact, they were looking forward to being committed. This is like that spouse card, right? Somebody who's maybe a wife or, in a committed relationship or something. This person was really wanting something very stable or a good partnership with that person, except the burden was that they were dealing with maybe a player. Somebody who was very immature, somebody who just came in hot and heavy for sex or something and left quite as fast, right? So this was the underlying energy of our reading anyway. So here it's confirmed again. And person A is single. Yes, they're not missing out on anybody taking care of them. I guess they have a good job, they have money, they are healthy, but they didn't anticipate this thing that they would be left by themselves. In fact, they were very attracted to person B. They thought that this Knight of Wands was actually their King of Wands. That's what they wanted. Maybe that's what they waited for, or that's what they were confused about, because I think person A saw their person as a person who was very attractive and go-getter and would, it was eventually end up into something. But now the burden is that they're realizing, no, this person was no king. And that's kind of confusing person A big time. 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups, yes. Maybe they realized that their person had other options. And that became like kind of a tower moment for them, to realize that maybe their person was only breadcrumbing them, maybe had other stuff going on the side, maybe had lots and lots of options maybe, or this could have just been confusing for person A. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person A to be feeling this way? 5 of Pentacles. I think person A always felt that person B was always hiding their emotions, emotionally keeping them manipulated, not really kind of investing into this connection as, two people should, I guess. And I think they soon realized that maybe they were being juggled or they were not deciding. There was no balance coming to this connection. And I think person A soon started to feel a bit neglected and left out in the cold and not appreciated as they were expecting. So, King of Wands, Spirit. King of Wands. King of Wands. I think person A waited for a long time. They waited for a very long time for this Knight of Wands to become the King of Wands, but I don't think this King, whoever this person is, made any decision for commitment. In fact, there could have been a conflict, there was imbalance. I think person A waited for a very long time for somebody to make a decision and heal whatever had been broken between the two of you. But I don't think that this person really, they were blocked off. They were blocked off from their emotions. It was more about the passion than about the emotions. Where emotions were concerned, I think this person was never available or, played person A. So how does person A feel about this connection, Spirit, now? I think person A has been healing themselves ever since. They are still wishing and hoping that, the person will come back, still trapped in a kind of a mental trap of their mind, because it's very confusing for person A to feel, why is not person B coming forward? Why, what happened here? This is a lot of inner turmoil, feeling blocked, like a prisoner of your own mind, trying to figure out why this person is not coming back. I think Heart of Hearts person A still is wishing and hoping for a return. Meanwhile, I think they're feeling quite depressed, quite sad. No other option is really kind of doing it for them. There's a bit of pause and stagnancy. What's this Four of Pentacles spirit? I think this person is trying to convince themselves that I'm happy by myself, and now that they know the truth, they're trying to recover. I think person A is trying to recover. They're trying to gather their energy, maybe see the higher perspective. I don't think so, because somewhere, as much as person A is trying to pretend, they are still waiting. Yes, this person is still waiting, even though things haven't worked out. I have a feeling person A still somewhere hopes. There's this commitment which didn't come, because person B is their wish fulfillment. Even now, they may be trying to release or trying to convince themselves that, I don't want them back, but I think Heart of Hearts, I think person A is still stuck on at least getting the truth and clarity out as to why it didn't work out. So, what action person A will take, I'll open a little later. Let's go on to person B's side and see really what's happening. Person B, why do you have the High Priestess in reverse? They were keeping secrets which came out. Simple as that. They use their head over heart maybe in this connection. They may have been afraid of emotional connections. I mean, as much as they saw that person A was there happily ever after, something took over them where the devil took over, simple as that. And I think person B became more analytical than emotional, and they made a head over heart decision. Something was told to person A that, hey, I'm not interested, or I don't want a happily ever after. I don't want to regret it later if I make a decision to do this or that. At least that's what they were thinking in their mind. But now this person is feeling, oh my God, what did I do? I played myself. Now they are feeling bad about the injustice which has been done in this connection, and now they want a rebirth of this connection. Now they want a renewal of this connection. Okay? So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for person B to be feeling this way? Hierophant. I think person A asked for commitment. Person A could have asked a straight question to say, hey, are we doing this or what? I mean, or at least in some way they felt, at least person B felt that person A was kind of steering them in the direction of asking them whether this is serious and where is it going. So then what happens, Spirit? There could have been communication regarding that. Yes, Spirit is saying. And somebody behaved in a very immature manner. Very, very immature manner. And this connection came to a stagnancy. Judgment. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? What happened? Now this person has realized, oh my God, now ever since I think person A has moved away, or now they are single, or looking good, taking care of themselves, suddenly I think person B has now realized, what have I done? I want to be with my person. I want a second chance here. I want a renewal of this connection. I want to reunite with my person. My person is out there looking fabulous. I don't want to lose this chance, even though I think in the past they could have behaved very badly. So how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? Three of Swords in reverse. They want to heal this connection. Yes, they want to heal the broken hearts between the two of you. They are no longer confused. If they were in two minds at whether should I commit, do I want to commit, which side do I want to go, I think this person has now made up their mind. They also want to heal whatever was broken between the two of you, Pisces. They do want to work it out. Okay, let's see. Give me another card for the Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, now they've realized person A is the one who makes their, world shine. This is the happiest card in the deck. And that's how person B is now viewing person A. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. The only reason they haven't yet messaged is because of a little bit of pride and ego, I think. They do want to offer this brand new beginning, but they're feeling very stable. It's like all these cards said, I'm trying to, become a better version. I don't feel good enough for you. So as much as this person wants to work things out, they may have not communicated till now. There is a pause going on because they either want to become better before they come back and offer this brand new beginning, or they are a bit afraid, right? They don't want this stress and tension. What if this brand new beginning is not accepted? So they could be sitting in a bit of ego and pride as well. But from what I feel, I think this person is trying to now have victory with person A. They are trying to become better. I don't think they've reached out yet because the Page of Wands is in reverse yet. So let's see what action you guys are going to take towards each other now. I'm going to take another deck for this one. So person A, what action will you take? And before I open this card, if you guys are still here and it's resonating, if you could just hit that like button, it'll just, it helps me to know how many of you I'm resonating with. And of course, it helps the videos to circulate as well. So person A's action is the Five of Wands. Why is that, Spirit? Three of Wands, Magician, and the Strength card. Person A could be waiting, but they are becoming stronger. I think this person has really mastered themselves with the Magician card being here. Oh my God, yes, people are vying for that attention. A lot of people are vying for this this Nine of Pentacles person, because they're out there looking great. So I think this person has a lot of attention on them. They've really become strong, and not just strong, this person has become the Empress. From pre-Empress, this person has gone straight to having full confidence of themselves. After whatever heartbreak, heart pain, this person has picked themselves up, and yes, maybe could be kind of trying to see what else is out there, Pisces. If this is you, you have embodied the Magician energy suddenly. As the Empress and the Magician, you have all the tools now within you to manifest whatever you want. And I think right now you could just be enjoying the attention of maybe new love, I don't know, or just looking for new love, maybe manifesting somebody new in your life. Let's see, person B, are you going to take any action? The Empress. So this person is wanting his Empress back. Let's see. Okay, so why is your action the Empress? Ace of Pentacles, right? So this person is now seeing person A as their Empress, and they want to now come and offer something really stable. Ace of Pentacles is like grounded energy. This is not just Ace of Wands where it's passion or it's a cup of love. This is like, let's put down roots. This is like a promise for the future kind of a thing. Let's start building together. That's beautiful. So will they take this action, Spirit? Will they take this action? Will they take this action? Spirit says first and foremost you have to pick up their courage to come and apologize. So yes, they may not have right now, but they are dead serious. I've had this card twice now. But Spirit saying first they have to, whatever lessons this person is learning, maybe about bettering themselves or having self-doubt or maybe their ego and pride, Spirit says first and foremost we want this person to come and apologize. Only after that maybe they'll have the Empress's, what do you call it? I can't get the word right now. They'll be able to meet the Empress, or go forward. Yeah, because right now the Empress has walked away. Empress is not waiting around for anyone. So this person better hurry up soon, because the Empress is in demand. They definitely want to come back, Pisces. They want to offer this equal give and take now. They want to have a balanced connection, which they didn't earlier. Ever since I think this Empress has walked away, person B has been shaken up. And they've, according to them, they've been watching person A glow up day after day after day. And yes, they want their Empress back. Great, that's wonderful news. So this Knight of Wands is finally going to grow up, it seems. It's just a pause. Give them a little time to learn their own lessons. Meanwhile, person A, whoever you are, Pisces or the cross watcher, I think congratulations are in order. You have passed the test of the universe. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.